You are welcome to Maths Made Easy with Kingsley. Now we have a question on the board. Change 8.75 to fraction. Alright, so solution 8.75 equals to, we are told to change this 8.75, which is a decimal number, to fraction. Do you understand? Now, take note. This number is made up of two parts. A whole number, which is this 8, and a decimal number, which is this 75. Do you understand? So, since 8 is a whole number, what are we going to do? You can make it big. Write a very big 8. Do you understand? As if you want to write a mixed fraction. Do you understand? Write a very big 8. Do you understand? Because it's a whole number. Then, this 75 you are seeing, put 0.75. 0.75. As if you are going to write it as a numerator. Do you understand? Now, rule a line under. Now, under the decimal point, put 1. Are you following? Under the decimal point, put 1. Then you have 7 and 5. Under 7 and 5, put 0, 0. Do you understand? Had it been I have one more number here, I would have added another 0 under the number. Do you see it? But since I'm having two numbers, 7 and 5, I have 2 zeros under them. Now, with this, I can start reducing the fraction to the lowest term. Do you understand? So, 5 in 75, 5 in 7 is 1, remainder 2 in 25, 5. 5 in 100, we say 5 in 10, 2 in 0, 0. Something can still divide. 5 in 15 is 3, 5 in 20 is 4. Can you see that? So, nothing can divide 3 and 4. No factor can divide 3 and 4. So, my answer comes as, repeat your 8 whole number. Please repeat the 8 whole number. And then put what? 3 over 4. With this, you have changed this decimal number 8.75 to fraction. I hope it's easy. If you have any question, you can put it on my comment section. Please follow and like my video. You can also share it to those you feel may need it. See you in our next class.